Welcome to a full review of Claude Cowork, the AI employee. This video provides a beginner's guide to utilizing this powerful new tool for automating your workflow. Claude Cowork is not a traditional chatbot. It's an AI employee. It reads, edits, and creates real files directly on your computer, operating within your local folders without requiring any coding. Security is key. Cowork runs in a secure, isolated virtual machine and only accesses the specific folders you approve. It has a strict no-delete default and protects your main operating system. Its core superpower is subagents, which automatically split complex work. This allows it to run dozens of tasks in parallel, turning lengthy manual tasks into short, synthesized outputs. Cowork generates real, usable deliverables like Excel, PowerPoint, and Word files. These outputs are ready to save, edit, and share instantly, providing formulas, formatted slides, and structured reports. The tool features autonomous web browsing via the Claude in Chrome extension. It extracts raw data, navigates dashboards, and clicks through pages, making it perfect for deep, competitive research. You can use scheduled tasks and mobile dispatch to schedule recurring workflows or trigger desktop agents remotely. This means tasks can execute autonomously while you sleep, leaving finished reports ready in your folder. The Done prompting framework ensures perfect execution. It involves defining the outcome, setting the context, and applying constraints like no deleting to avoid hallucinations. Use case 1 demonstrates going from folder chaos to order. Cowork organizes massive, messy folders, reads inside files for correct sorting, flags duplicates, and autonomously rethinks folder structures. Use case 2 focuses on converting receipts to spreadsheets. It reads over 50 images simultaneously, extracts key data, builds categorized Excel expense reports, and generates instant summary charts. Regarding pricing, the Pro tier is $20 per month for light tasks, and Max is $100 to $200 per month for heavy power users. Note that a paid Claude subscription is required, and Cowork uses tokens faster than standard chat. Comparing Claude Cowork to Claude Code, Cowork targets non-tech professionals with a visual app for documents and files. Code is for developers, using a terminal interface with full system access for code bases. We should note some limitations. Currently, Cowork is Mac only, though a Windows version is coming. The desktop app must remain open for tasks, and browser automation can occasionally break on complex sites. Crucial safety warnings. Beware of, quote, prompt injections from untrusted files, and keep highly sensitive data isolated. Cowork is not logged for enterprise compliance, and you should always manually verify the AI's final outputs. The final verdict: Claude Cowork is the best AI agent for non-technical beginners. Despite the high token cost, it replaces hours of manual work, delivering massive, immediate ROI. It's a must-try productivity shift for 2026.